Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to upload file or image to AWS S3 using Spring Boot. Now this is the API endpoint which I have created, and it takes the file which is of file type, and here you can upload any image from your local system. And I have also added some JSON, so maybe you might have a case where you are sending some JSON data along with your multi-part file. So yeah, that's why I've added this. And if you click on send, I get the first name as well as the URL, like it would be a pre-signed URL. The reason why I'm not showing you the output, because I don't want to reveal my AWS path. So yeah, that's why. And it would be a pre-signed URL, so it would be valid for a few hours or minutes depending on how you configure it. So yeah, let's get started. So first, just create a Spring Boot application from start.spring.io. Once you create that application, you will have to go to pom.xml, and here firstly you will have to add this dependency management software.amazon.aws SDK, and for version you can check out this link to get the latest version. So first add this which is a BOM, like bill of materials. Then you will have to add this, because we only need the S3 part, that's why I'm adding this. Then just do a Control S. Then you will have to create this S3 util file, s3 util.java, and here as you can see I have created this is my bucket name. I have created a method called upload file, and here this should be your access key ID, and this should be a secret access key. You should you should get that from AWS console itself, and you can just create AWS basic credential. Then you will have to create an S3 client.builder, pass wherever your S3 bucket is created. Then use credential providers, static credential provider.create, pass your credential, and then call build method. Then here we are calling put object request request.builder, and we are passing our bucket name. We are key here would be the file name, and here we are just passing build. Then here we are doing client.put object request response body.from input stream, and if we are just checking if input stream is available, and here file is uploaded. Once the file is uploaded, we are initializing our S3 pre-signer and creating it, and then we are doing get object request.builder. We are passing the bucket name, again the file name, and calling build. Now this part is for getting the pre-signed URL. Pre-signed URL is basically the URL for that particular uploaded file or image, whatever it is. Then we are calling get object pre-sign request, constructing it. Sign duration I have kept it as 1 hour, so after 1 hour the pre-signed URL will expire. Then get object request, and then here we are calling build. Then here we are calling pre-signed get object request, and here we are just calling pre-signer.pre-sign get object, and we are passing our request. And to get the URL, you just have to do pre-signed request.url.to external form. Now to use it, I have just created this user resource. I have created our controller, and here I have created one method. Now if you only want to pass this particular file, you can just add this. If you want to pass any extra JSON, you will have to add this as well. So here as you can see, I am getting the file name first, then we are calling the upload file from our S3 util, and we are just passing the file name as well as the input stream. And here I am also passing the first name, as you might have seen inside this over here, right? So like, yeah, this is, I'm not really doing anything with that, but this is just to let you know how to pass some JSON data as well. And here inside I am just passing our first name as well as message. This should be URL, but yeah, message is fine, and we are just returning back that map to the user. And inside demo application, I have just added this course filter, so yeah, you can add this as well inside your application class. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.